For sure, GK book of class 3. Today we shall start with next pages of this syllabus. Now we are here with page number 54. In my previous videos, I have discussed about the previous syllabus of class 3. I hope you have seen that and learned through that. Now next is knowing northern India. Name the city in which these famous structures are located. Look at the options given and write the correct letter in the boxes. This is a picture of Shanti Stupa. Shanti Stupa is situated in Leh. And this is a picture of Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is situated in Delhi. And this is Lakshman Jhula is in Rishikesh. Arrange the letters in the correct order to learn more about the mountains and states of northern India. Number 1. The remains of Nalanda, an ancient university of international repute is in this state. This is jumbled and the answer is Bihar. Bihar. Number 2. This place in Himachal Pradesh is the home of Dalai Lama in India. This is Dharamshala. Dharam Shala Shala. Now number 3. This is one of the oldest cities of India and is known for its many ghats. This city is Varanasi. 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 Number 4. This mountain system forms a natural barrier from the north to the east of India. This is Himalayas. 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 Number 5. This town in Himachal Pradesh is the capital of this state. Yes, capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. 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 Let us know tidbits also. Uttarakhand is known for its many national parks and forest reserves. The Jim Corbett National Park is India's first national park. It is also a famous tiger reserve. The beautiful Valley of Flowers National Park is known for its variety of flowers and plants. Now next is page number 58, kitchen appliances. Noe wants to know what appliances are used in the kitchen. With him, find the correct appliance from the clues given below the pictures. You can take help from the help box. Now, in this help box, spellings are given. You can check from here. Number 1 is I make crisp brown toast for breakfast. This is toaster. Number 2. I can remove salt and impurities from drinking water. This is RO water purifier. Number 3. I can help you to heat food and cook different types of food. This is microwave. Number 4. I can freeze ice cubes for you to go with your milkshakes. This is refrigerator. I can make yummy shakes for you. This is blender mixer. Number 6. I can help you get rid of smoke. This is chimney. You must have seen all these appliances at your homes also. Before the refrigerator was invented, ice houses were used to cool foodstuffs for most of the year. The ice houses were packed with ice and built near lakes. Next is computer shortcuts, page number 61. Have how computer savvy are you? Do this quiz to find out. In the internet browsers like Internet Explorer and Google Chrome, which key is used to refresh or reload our page? This is F5. What is the shortcut key to create a copyright symbol in the Word document? That is Ctrl plus Alt plus C. What is the shortcut key to change the selected text to italic type? This is Ctrl I. What is the shortcut key to create a new document? Is Ctrl N. What shortcut key is used to open the history bar in a new tab? This is Ctrl H. Which key is used to rename a file or a folder? This is F2. What is the purpose of the shortcut key Ctrl S? To save our document. In the internet browsers like Internet Explorer and Google Chrome, which key is used to enter and exit the full screen mode? This is F11. Now there is word game similes on page number 62. Complete the similes, that is as wise as an owl, as blind as a bat, as sly as a fox, as proud as peacock, as big as an elephant, as brave as a lion, as slow as a snail. Now next is to understand hello world. Do you like sending secret messages? Morse code is a system of sending messages by arranging dots, dashes and spaces instead of letters, numbers and punctuations. This special system was created by Samuel F.B. Morse. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876. He made the first call on 10th March 1876 to his assistant Thomas Watson. Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you. At the time, Mr. Watson was right in the next room. Alexander Graham Bell speaking into his model to the telephone here. Now, first ever newspaper published in India was the Bengal Gazette in 1780. John Logie Baird invented the world's first television system in 1926. The first person to appear on television was a young office boy from the building where Baird worked. So, J.L. Baird and his television system. Now, look at this page. The development of the World Wide Web (WWW) was started in 1989 by Sir Tim Berners-Lee and his colleagues in Switzerland. Their technology was made available for the common people in 1992. Soon the WWW had millions of active users. Are you on them? In 1945, the computer weighed 27 tons and was the size of an entire room. It was made a loud noise. It also made a loud noise while working. Now today, you can shop using your computer or a smartphone anywhere and do not need to go to a shop. This is called online shopping or e-commerce. This was first developed by Michael Aldrich. Facebook is an American company founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Hughes. It was founded when they all were studying at Harvard University It is a free of cost social networking website. Now let us see quick quiz. Number 1 is, which of these is not a term so far used in the world of computers? This is biscuits. Number 2, what are the cute symbols showing various emotions called emojis? In which year was WhatsApp launched? In 2009. What are the terms 3G, 4G, 5G related to phone networks? Now page number 66. Rocks and metals. Let us see. A silvery white metal used in making cans to contain drinks or food. This is tin. Number 2. A white precious metal used in making coins, ornaments and jewelry. This is silver. Number 3. A bright yellow precious metal used in making jewelry is gold. Jewelry is gold. Electrical wires are commonly made of this metal, that is copper. Most commonly found metal used to make steel is iron. The study of minerals is called mineralogy, and the study of rocks is called geology. Now let us do page number 67. Dash is a fossil fuel that is found in mines and is rich in carbon, that is coal. Dash is the hardest natural substance found on the earth. This is diamond. Number 3. Taj Mahal is made of this, is marble. Number 4. Pencil leads are made of graphite. Number F is an igneous rock used to make buildings. This is granite. Next is chalk is a type of limestone. And pumice stones are the bubbles of volcanic lava. Now let us know about the starry sky. Interested in stars and heavenly bodies, read these facts about the stars. Guess what is the brightest star in the sky? That can be seen from the earth. It is the sun. It looks very big because it is the nearest star to the earth. Next is Mercury is the smallest and the closest planet to the sun. It takes only 116 days to go around the sun. Now this, millions of stars together form a galaxy. The Earth and the Sun belong to the Milky Way galaxy. Next is, on a clear dark night, the stars seem to twinkle. In fact, most of the stars are shining with a steady light. The movement of the air in the air blanket surrounding the Earth causes the starlight to get slightly bent as it travels from the distant star through the air blanket down to us on the ground. To our eyes, this makes the star seem and twinkle. Proxima Centauri, one of the stars of the triple star system, Alpha Centauri is the closest star to the Sun at a distance of only about 4.2 light years. A nebula is a huge cloud of gas and dust in space. Scientists believe that new stars form inside these nebulas. Ursa Major is a constellation located in the northern sky. It is the third largest constellation in the sky. 7 bright stars within Ursa Major form a shape called the Big Dipper that looks like a cup with a long handle. In India, these 7 stars are imagined to be 7 wise men or Saptarishi. Now let us do quick quiz. What do we call a dying star? This is supernova. Number 2. The position of which star is used to find directions? This is north stars. Number 3. Which heavenly bodies in the sky produce their own light? Again, these are stars. Number 4. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? This is Venus. Number 5. What is the name given to the blanket of air covering the earth? This is atmosphere. Now know these sources of energy. This is cylinder and this is CNG energy. You can see here this is sun energy. This is, you can see here, electricity. This is wind energy. Number 5 is jet fuel. Number 6 is water energy. And number 7 is wood and coal. Renewable sources of energy are those that are renewed naturally. For example, solar energy, wind energy, and water energy. Non-renewable sources of energy are those that have a limited supply on earth and get exhausted once they have been used. For example, fossil fuels like oil, natural gas and coal. Now page number 72, Sports and Games. Chaturang is a board game that is played in ancient India. It is believed that the present day game of chess actually came from Chaturanga. Kho-Kho is a popular traditional sport in India. It is played between two teams, a chasing team and the defenders. Sumo is a form of Japanese wrestling where apart from skill, weight and strength, the size of the competitors are important for victory. Especially selected young men are fed and trained to achieve the desired weight and size for competition. Muay Thai is a fighting sport in which fighters use their fists, elbows, feet and knees to strike each other. It is a very popular sport in Thailand. Now Kabaddi is a 4,000-year-old game. It is the national game of Bangladesh where it is known as Ha Do Do. The aim of the game is to prevent the members of the opponent team from returning to their half of the field. Polo is a team sport played between two teams. Each team has 4 players. The players ride on horseback to play this game. It is believed that polo was played in India and Persia about 2000 years ago. Croquet is a game where you hit wooden or plastic balls with a wooden hammer through a set of rings that are fixed to the ground. It started in London in the mid-18th century. Identify these games. This is judo, this is snake boat race and this is fencing. Now quiz yourself. Number 1. Who is the author of The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes? Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Number 2. Who lives in the White House in Washington, D.C.? Answer is President of United States of America. Number 3. What is the full form of UN? The answer is United Nations. Number 4. In which film series would you find the characters Luke Skywalker, R2-D2 and Chewbacca? Star Wars. Number 5. Which renewable source of energy produces solar energy? This is sun. Number 6. What is the book of maps called? This is Atlas. Number 7. Which musical instrument was Pandit Ravi Shankar an expert at playing? This is sitar. Number 8. A forgetful, pacific, regal blue tank fish, Dory, tries to reunite with her family. Which film are we talking about? This is Finding Dory. Number 9. How many faces does a sphere have? 0. No face. Which actor played Bajrangi in the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan? This is Salman Khan. Number 11. In which city are the Wimbledon Games held? That is London. Which Indian freedom fighter created the slogan Dilli Chalo? This is Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose. Now let us know about art gallery. This self-portrait as was painted by the famous Dutch painter Vincent van Gogh. The painting shows the great artist with a bandage on his ear. Van Gogh's paintings became popular only after his death. The Last Supper is a painting by Leonardo da Vinci. The painting shows a scene from the Last Supper Jesus Christ had with his disciples. The ceiling of Sistine Chapel in Vatican City has beautiful frescoes painted by the famous Italian painter and sculptor Michelangelo. He had to lie on his back to paint the ceiling of the chapel. Guernica is a painting by Pablo Picasso, a well-known artist of the 20th century. The painting shows the sufferings caused by the war when a town called Guernica in Spain was bombed. One of the most well-known paintings of the world is Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. It shows a woman with a mysterious expression and smile. This painting won the artist great fame. Maqbool Fida Hussain was one of the most famous Indian artists of the 20th century. He was also known as Picasso of India. The paintings of M.K. Gandhi and Mother Teresa are some of his famous works. The Night Watch is a painting by Rembrandt, a Dutch painter. It shows a group of soldiers led by a captain and his lieutenant. A drawing scribbled or scratched on a wall is called graffiti. Number 2. Which of these artists is not a painter? This is Uday Shankar. Number 3. Where are cave paintings found in India? The answer is Ajanta. A mural is a wall painting. In this way, we have completed the syllabus of GK book of class 3. I hope you have liked. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice time.